So, gusto kasi i-heal ni Tin yung inner child niya. So, nagpabili siya ng Toblerone. And gusto niyang i-satisfy yung cravings niya as a kid. So, eto, bumili kami ng Toblerone. Yes! Ganito kahabang Toblerone na binili niya. And ayaw niya talaga umalis sa grocery. Nang hindi binibili to. So, as long as you pay for it, go for it. We also bought this one. This is essential. Hindi namin siya plano bilhin today, pero so, nung nakita ko, I feel like this is essential so you can monitor your BP. Pero yes. Hi, Tintin. Hindi ako yung slow mo. Today, guys, we're making PARES. And you know what? This week is like rare times na magkasabay yung off namin. Like 2 days off, magkasabay. Like this doesn't happen like often. Yeah, usually magkaiba yung day off namin. Pero ngayon, sabay kami mag-day off, diba? Tapos marami pa kami ganap kanina. Pumunta kami sa kung saan-saan. Pero yes, so happy kasi nakapag-grocery kami. Nandun kasi yung life dito, guys, sa Australia. Or I think kahit saan naman sa abroad, diba? Like the everyday routine will be like going to work, homework, ganun lang. Homework, ano yun? Assignment. Charis. So, yun lang yung like usual routine. And I feel like, sabi ko kay Tin before, I feel like yung totoong day, or kung gusto mo talaga magpahinga, hindi mo siya makukuha sa day off. Kung gusto mo talaga magpahinga, na like, you will be like completely relaxed. Makukuha mo siya kung magpa-public holiday ka or mag-annual leave ka or stuff like that. Pero sa day off is mostly bawi ka lang ng tulog. Kasi iba yung pahinga na you're resting and iba yung pahinga na you can recharge. I don't know if that makes sense or I don't know how to explain that one. Pero yes, kung gusto mo talagang mag-recharge or whatsoever is kailangan mo ng holiday or yung mga long weekends or something. Yeah, kailangan mo yun. Pero yung day off, yung usual day off sa isang week, I don't think na you can be recharged with that.